everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's vlog, we're just gonna be vlogging our everyday life. So excited because it's the first day of spring and it's already 62 degrees outside. I'm wearing a summer slash spring outfit. So I'm wearing this tank top, little cute jacket thingy. I'm wearing shorts. I just did my hair and I'm gonna do my eyebrows, lashes, and a little bit of concealer. How have you guys been? It's been very long since I posted. I didn't vlog much on my birthday because I got really sick, and I'm still really sick, but it just sucks. But at least I got my nose pierced on my birthday, which is something I have been really wanting since so long. I think I'm gonna leave my eyebrows like this because I haven't done them and there's like a lot of hair. It's gonna look weird if I do them, but I will do my lashes.
Bruh.
Tastes good. I am at the Airbnb. We had the Airbnb reserved for 2 weeks by some construction workers, and right now I'm gonna be rating how they left the Airbnb. It looks a mess. It looks so dirty, which is understandable because of why they came here. All the dishes are so dirty. I feel like the stairs are the worst because they're kind of like white, and so they're really dirty. Left a couple of lights on, which is crazy. The bathroom. Okay, honey, do you not know how to clean up after yourselves? I'm just kidding. But yeah, definitely gonna need to wash these towels today because they are soaked. And yeah, it looks like they slept on the couch too. Let's see the fridge. Oh, they left a lot of food here. They did not take out the trash. So this is gonna be a really messy Airbnb cleaning, as you could tell. Yes, I'm gonna show you guys how this Airbnb ends up looking like once it's cleaned. But it is very messy. I'm pretty sure my aunt, she cleans, she's gonna need some help because it's really crazy. Let's see the backyard. Are you guys seeing this? What the F? before I forget. So I'm back home now. I was a little bored, so I was like, why not go work out? I'm gonna do a cycling class on YouTube. I'm gonna show you guys my setup that I've been doing because I really have been wanting to go to a cycling class, but I've been shy, plus like I have no one to go with. I'm gonna take my bird outside because it is like around 60 degrees still. I want him to catch a little sun. Let's go. Yes, good boy. Bruh. And he just took a dookie. I don't have to walk all of this with you on my back. Look, he's helping me out. I want to show you guys him on my shoulder. Like, he's kind of camera shy, guys. Look at you, you're so handsome. I have to grab him like this, if not he'll fly away. There you go. He bit me, but anyways, good thing he's in the cage now. Time to lock it. So I missed my workout on Friday, so today we're gonna make up for it since I'm bored. Friday I didn't work out because my leg was like hurting. This is my outfit. I'm wearing the Lululemon with the gold zipper jacket. And I'm wearing the Able leggings. These leggings are so freaking nice. Able, I hope you sponsor me one day because they're so freaking good. This is my home gym. This is my cycling class setup. I have my bicycle right here, as you can see. I have a TV over here, and basically I just search it up on YouTube, cycling classes, and I choose the one with the reggaeton because I like more upbeat, like getting lit cycling music. This is gonna be my third class cycling at home. I told myself if I can get through the home cycling classes, I'm gonna be able to book a cycling class appointment because it's not for the weak. I recommend you start, but when you start, it's gonna hurt so much. So let's see how it goes for my third class. I'm gonna probably be so hurt, but we're gonna do the 45-minute reggaeton cycling class. I'm gonna put a picture right here of the one that I'm watching so you guys can do it with me. I only got 15 minutes done because I need to leave. Today's my aunt's birthday, so we're gonna go eat and spend time with her at her house.
Nunca dejes de creer en mí. Tú también deberías de creer en ti. Vales más de lo que piensas.